I'm literally doing this on a broken shoestring. Season 2 starts today and I will walk you through all the plans, ideas and strategies to make Season 2 totally amazing. This one will be fixed this season. So my biggest plan is to lean into a couple of things that will make the whole experience much more amazing. So the first one cinematography. So basically lean into storytelling, framing and audio to create a certain mood. The bigger idea is to make it easier to consume so it will appeal to a wider audience. But that's not all, because I want to do just a bit more. Remember BWS3 to build with speed, style and strength? Well, it directly has to do with this piece of furniture right here, because in 2021 we needed a lot of new furniture and we needed it quick, so I bought some stuff in the store. It has been 4 years and this piece of furniture is literally falling apart, and this goes to show like what you get in the stores these days, and it really is mediocrity, and this provides us with an opportunity. So I spent a lot of time to figure out how to frame this. And it had to be something powerful, something universal, something beyond building stuff, something that touches on the bigger aspects of life. So this is what I came up with. Against mediocrity. And if I'm completely honest, this is sort of what I've always been fighting against, because I always knew that an ordinary life, it isn't really for me, and against mediocrity, in a way, it's just a reframing of that whole idea. Now, and I also want to show you a bit of the bigger picture. So what I like to spend my time on are two things: woodwork and writing. So I quickly want to show you the other half of my online effort. So this right here is Prim's game, where I will try to get my fictional universe off the ground. And this right here is Exploring Jelmer's World, where I will document the journey of moving from a full-time job to creating success online in an awesome way. Now, before moving forward, let's take a look at 3 projects that I'm most proud of. The Adirondack love seat. I made this 2 years ago as a summer project, and we still use it every day. It can use a new layer of paint though, it looks a little bit chipped off. 2 years in the tropics. This one right here, this is the vacuum stand. This is one of those things I couldn't find online or in the store, and so I decided to build something myself, and this only took like an hour to build, and yeah, it just makes a huge difference in our house. Yeah, and who can forget about this little chair right here? I'm still proud of this one, because I literally traced a plastic chair that was about to break down onto plywood, and I got something that's like ultra strong. This is one that's gonna stick around, and I might repeat something like this in the future as well. So those are just 3 projects that I made over the last year, and I'm always totally amazed at what I can make in a short time, and it's like a red thread throughout my life. Like, I can always do way more than I imagined possible, and that's what I want to use as inspiration for you, because if I can do this, so can you. I'm just a guy, I have some power tools, but I'm figuring things out along the way, and I'm hoping to transfer that knowledge towards you so you can use that and you know, cut your learning curve in half. So you will be able to do this in a much quicker time span. Now also we're still gonna build with speed, style and strength moving forward. It's just that the against mediocrity, this is gonna be the angle that's gonna make the next season hopefully way more impactful, and it's gonna give us a bit of urgency, and yeah, I really hope to create a sort of movement around this, and I figured that against mediocrity might just be the way. Yeah. Now, I'm here for it. I'm gonna do everything I can to make this next season totally amazing. Let me know in the comments below if there is anything else that I can do for you to enrich the experience, to make it just a little bit extra. And I can't wait to see you in the next video, because I'm excited to get started.